Hey guys, it's me Charlie. Today is December 14, 2014, and on today's video I wanted to show you what I do at Mary's house. Mary's a friend of mine that lives about 4 minutes away from me, and I come over on Sundays and I completely clean up her chicken yard, and it's a good way to help me pay some bills. So I wanted to show you what I do. So these are the steps to go onto the porch, and this is for us to walk on and the dogs, or the chickens. There's a little lip here to keep all the porch pine shavings down. And this helps keep the moisture control. Their food is out here covered up. This is usually on top of there, and there's one more that goes on top of there that I'm using to keep the chickens from stepping in there. That's their calcium, diatomaceous earth powder, grit. This is an enclosed area here that the chickens sleep on at night, so they climb on this and they sleep, and they sit on there and they sit back there. There's ventilation, there's a window there, and there's another one on this side. Then there's this shelf here that they walk on that you can actually put some nest boxes, which is what we're going to do later on. And then there's the one way up here. Possibly that one up there will get closed up to put supplies, and then down here for the chickens to lay their eggs. And we might use some buckets so that way they can't walk on top and poop on them. And then put a long perch that goes across here so the chickens can fly up, perch, go inside and lay their eggs. At the moment they're laying their eggs in there. This is fresh pine shavings. There's diatomaceous earth powder on the bottom. And in the sand, this is play sand. It's a white play sand. You can get 50 or 80 pounds of it. And what we do is we spray everything in here. Let me show you what's used. For years now, oops, this is some glare. We use this. It's an Adams flea spray and tick spray. Let me see if I can... Fleas, ticks, flea eggs, flea larvae, and also mosquitoes. I think it also kills flies. But you can spray this directly onto the chicken's back, underneath their wings, and close to their vent area, and this will kill red mites. And I spray this, and it smells so good. It has a pretty perfume smell. And basically what you do is, let me make sure I have this set correctly, is you just spray the nesting material, not the nesting material, but their bedding area. You could spray the nest boxes. Down below where the ducks like to sit. In the nest boxes. And also wherever they perch. This is Andy. She's probably going to climb up that. So we spray this. And you could spray in the sand as well. And this will prevent bugs. So it's a great way to keep your chickens healthy. This has to be cleaned out daily. So what we do here with the sand is there's a, oh, I don't got it. It's a cat litter. It's one of those oversized ones. And I just pick up the chicken poop wherever it's at. And with a glove and a bucket, I just grab whatever poop. And sometimes the chickens, well, actually not sometimes, all the time, they like to sit here with their butt facing in, and they poop along the edge there. There's usually no eggs in there at night because she picks them throughout the day. And then you grab them, put the poop and everything inside the bucket. So, just wanted to give you a little tour of the chicken shed. And this is just one of them. There's the window. And it does not smell in here because it's being cleaned up every single day. And on Sundays, there's a major cleaning that gets done. Sometimes it doesn't have to be major. There's the goat barn that I do next. And then, on this side, there's another chicken coop that gets cleaned. There's one right there, and one more around the corner where the silkies are at. Look at that view the birds got. It's a huge yard. There's 7 yards, I think. And so, right now, it's winter time, and it's been raining, so a little tiny duck pond for the ducks. I think that's it. So here's Bailey. Maybe you guys will see a new goat soon. We're going to have possibly Nigerians or Nigerian mix or something. I'm not really sure. But just wanted to show you a video of my Sunday cleaning. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. See you on the next video. Oh good, she's laying breakfast.